Yeah, hi friends. Today I'm going to show you one CRUD application. So it's just like employee data. It's a CRUD application. So I just developed a using React.js. Let me introduce myself. I have almost 9 years of experience in QA. I worked on manual QA testing and UI automation, service automation, kind of performance testing, and kind of support work. So I didn't get a chance to work on development, but when I was looking at developers, I was literally jealous about them. So the people are doing amazing. They developed UI and web services. So I just want to motivate myself and wanted to move. My dream is like wanted to become a full stack developer. So let me first of all I'll start with UI technology. I just choose React.js. So the magic of development is like whatever you imagine, whatever the things are there in the mind, you can put it onto the UI. So that's the magic of development. And I just tested the React.js. It's amazing. So I just want to show once. I can say I learned almost 30 to 40% of React.js. So with that knowledge, I just developed some basic CRUD application. So it is like employee data application. So here you can see three fields: name, company, and designation. You just need to enter these three fields, and you just need to click on add employee. The employee will be added, and you can delete the record which you want. You just need to press delete. So the record will be deleted. And if you want to edit any data, you can edit, and you can update the employee record. You can update, and you can refresh to see all the details. So we have covered all the create, read, update, and delete operations. Let me go to the code walkthrough. So I'll just show you the code walkthrough. So it is all about React.js coding. So you just need to create a project by using npx create react app and employee data. Here I just maintain a three folders. One is components, context, and hooks. Let me go through the in React.js. I felt like the major thing is state management is the major one. I just did state management by using the React hooks and context. So in the hooks, I made it just three files. Use empdata.js, use dbmethod.js, use config.js. So use empdata means it is all having the state variables which are useful for the entire application. So I just defined here. I'm just returning those. And if you go to the use config, right here, I am just giving the configuration to connect with the cloud database. So for our example, I'm just using a Firebase cloud, right? I'm just using Firebase cloud. So I just refreshed it. Is refreshing. Here you can see the records. So here the collection name is MP data, and here you can see the three records. You can see the three records, right? Okay, so I just connected to this cloud database. I'm trying to get these records and trying to update records and trying to add a few more records here. So this is all about configuration to connect with the cloud database, and it is all about the DB methods. So I mean, it is all about covering all the CRUD operations. It is like updating an employee, adding an employee to the cloud, and deleting an employee from the cloud. So here we are maintaining all the basic methods in the hooks. Okay. And if you go to the context, right? Context, the main advantage of context is interactive. So we can avoid sharing states from one component to from parent component to child component. Generally, we share using props. So we can avoid that. We can just define as a global all the state values which are used for application, and we can share them wherever we want. We can avoid the props, right, by sharing from one component to other component. Here it's all about context, create context, context provider. So this is all about state values we are using across the application. The final one is the components. Here I just define three components. App.js, it is like a major component. So here we just call two components, add employee and employee.js. So EMP data provider means it's a context provider. So what are all the data is available here. We can use those data in these two components. So add employee is a component. Here I just use a bootstrap for developing UI, and it is all about the code. If you go to the UI, in the upper part, it is all about add employee component, and the below part employees, right? Here it is all about employees component. Here I wrote all the code about this below part. You can see the table and all, and we are defining all the table and logic. So it is all about bootstrap, and it is very easy to learn bootstrap, and it is very interesting, and I just learned and implemented. So let me go to the execution. So I already started my application, which is up and running in the local, which is running in the local port 3000. I'm just trying to refresh it, right? So the three records are you can see here. So the three records are also available in the cloud. What are the records are available in the cloud? You can see all the three records in the UI. It is all about read operation. So I will show you create record. Create record means add employee. So if you want to create any record, you just need to give the name of the employee. Let's say Siva, and company we can say is HCL, and the designation it's like the senior software engineer. Okay, senior software engineer. And you just need to click on add employee, and you can see a confirmation message employee added successfully. And if you see in the cloud, there should be one more record added. Earlier we see only three records, now we are seeing four records. Siva, the name Siva and HCL senior software which is added. It is all about creating an employee, right? So if you click on add employee without giving any data, so what will happen? You can see, so it is like we are putting a validation. If you are trying to add employee without giving any details, we can see the field is called. I mean, there is like a warning message, all fields are mandatory. Okay. So that is all about creating an employer add employee. Let's move into the update, edit an employee. So here, let's I got one point. Here you can see four records, but here you are just seeing three records. What about fourth one? You just need to refresh it. Okay, you can see the fourth record. Okay, so now let's move into the update. So if you want to update, so let's say I want to update this first record, Srikanth gap ID. So let's click on add it. So let's say this guy is changing from gap ID to Wipro, and we can change the company, and here its designation is changed to architect. Architect. And you just need to click on the update. You can see employee updated successfully, but here you still seeing the old values. If you want to see the latest change values, you just need to click on refresh. Now you can see the company name changed to Wipro, and the designation is changed to architect. You can see the same values here as well. The same values are replicating there. If you go to the first record, so Srikanth, whatever the showing here, we just bring them into UI. That is all about update. And if you want to delete a record, let's say I want to delete the record for Kiran, uh, you just need to click on the delete. Okay, Kiran, you just need to click on it. Here you can see the confirmation message called employee deleted successfully. And but still you are seeing four records, right? Even Kevin is related, you just need to click on refresh. Now Kevin is removed. If you look at the firestore, you can see only the three records, whichever you see in the UI. It is all about simplified application. Friends, just give me comments or suggestions. Everything is accepted. Thank you so much. Bye bye.